Today I have an accessory I picked up to help with audio recording. This is the Comica CVM-DS-XLR, and it's a 3.5mm to XLR splitter cable with stereo output. The XLR connectors are heavy-duty metal and have markings to identify the left and right channels. On the other end is the 3.5mm plug, and this is ideal to use on things like this wireless microphone kit where you need both channels to receive audio. In this example, I'm using the Comica WM200 wireless mic to show you how this works. I'm connecting this to a Sony FS7, and if I only had the cable that came with the microphone, I would only have audio in one channel. But with this cable, it connects to the output of the receiver, and then the two XLR cables snap into the channel 1 and channel 2 inputs on the FS7. You can also use this cable on mixers and professional audio recorders with audio sources such as your phone or even a musical instrument. So now this is all set up. I can show you on the viewfinder that I'm now getting two channels of audio into the FS7. I know that this cable doesn't really need that much explanation, but you can see that it can effectively split audio from a 3.5mm source out to two XLR connectors. And depending on what equipment you own, this could be a great cable to have in your bag. And at this time, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.